Okay, guys, if you are here and you are still struggling to have a perfect trading activities within the platform, I will advise you to watch this video to the end because what I will be revealing to you in this video will help you to increase your, or is most likely to help you to increase your trading activities. Okay, this is very, very important because I got so many messages from people asking me how I got to know that this particular asset will break out from this support region. And of course, I did a video about this yesterday, which I used to explain on how you can check out the direction of the trend or where the trend is heading to before you pick up your trade. Okay, this is very, very important because it helps you to know how far it's going to go if a certain things happen. And these are some of the things we will be checking out in this video right here. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp where I will be attending to your personal needs or personal questions. Okay. So now quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I have been saying in most of my videos that the trend trading strategy is actually one of the best trading strategy anyone can actually go for, okay? Because it helps you to trade on a particular trend for a very long time. And I'm going to prove this to you. Right here, I'm on 15-minute time frame on GainX 1200, and we started this particular trend at this spot where the uptrend was changed into a downtrend. This is where we started at the initial stage. And of course, you can see the yellow color turn into a red color at this spot. And it's traded for a very long time. There are pullbacks in between. Right there happened to be a support zone. So it switched back from a downtrend into an uptrend and it brought till it got to this region. It didn't go too far before switching back into a downtrend again due to market situation, and it broke out below this support zone to give us more selling opportunity. And check it out, it has been selling since then. It got to this support zone yesterday and made an attempt to buy for a while, but it didn't go too far because of the market situation and where the market or the trend is actually heading to. That is why I said checking out where the market is actually heading to will help you to know if something will happen here or not. So you shouldn't be surprised if I tell you that if this breakout from here, then it's going to sell more. That is because if you go to a frame, okay, and you check it out very well, okay, you're going to see that there are some free zones around here which we can still milk to make some money for ourselves, okay, but that can only happen if it breaks out from that support region because it has gotten there at this spot and of course went back up. So if it should break out from here, that is when it will happen, okay. And as you can see, it broke out below it broke out from this support zone, so which means this is still going to sell more. You can see the TPs that I highlighted, TP1, TP2. It has achieved the two TPs right now, heading towards the third TP and the fourth TP. That is the beautiful part about it, okay. So that is why I said the trend trading strategy is still one of the best trading strategy anyone can use. And of course, it is also important to check out the direction of the markets before you decide on what to do. Okay, now this is for GainX 1-2. Congratulations to those that have taken this trade, which I dropped in the Telegram channel yesterday. They are in big profit right now. Okay, now let's check out GainX 999. Make sure you lock up your profit. For those that are asking how to lock up the profit, probably I'm going to do another video for that. Okay, So just stay tuned within the channel. I will drop another video on that. That's not going to be today, probably tomorrow or whenever I feel like, okay? But I will definitely drop it because I've dropped it once, but you might find it difficult to have access to it right now. Now let's check out GainX 999. For GainX 999, this also switch from an uptrend into a downtrend. At this resistance zone, we got our sell signal right here and our downtrend signal right here. And check it out. It sold till it got to this support zone. Okay, made an attempt to go back on uptrend, but it has not been able to go too far. Now let's check of this trend also on higher time frame. This will help us to know, like I always tell you, it will help us to know how the market will behave. Okay, you can see it on higher time frame. This particular trend, I mean, asset is actually going on downtrend on higher time frame. Okay, which is not too far from the 15-minute time frame. So, which means on 15-minute time frame, it has got into its support region and it is making an attempt to go back on uptrend. But if we come to higher time frame, which is H1, we will notice that right there, this actually got to a support region at this point. And of course, it pulled back right from there. So definitely, because it got there on 15-minute time frame, it was taking its time to see if it will break out from there. So right now, as you can see, it has just broken out from there. So what does this mean? It means that we should expect more selling opportunity right from there. So we are most likely to experience more selling opportunity right from there. So, and this will help us to achieve more TPs. Of course, for those of you that actually took note of it yesterday, first TP has been achieved already, okay? And of course, we are heading towards the second, third, and fourth TP if possible, okay? So that is the beauty of trend trading strategy. Get it, understand how it works, perfect it, and start milking the markets with it. This is one of the best strategy I've used. Okay, so you too can also perfect it. Okay, and of course, it will definitely help your trading activities. So that is the beautiful part of it. And as you can see, it is still selling. So I expect more selling opportunity from here. So now let's check out Paynex 1200. Already, we already achieved all our TPs here yesterday. TP 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the night, I also gave us one more TP, which is TP 5, and it has been achieved already. It is so sweet because it has to do with trend trading strategy. Okay, from here, it switched from the resistance zone, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and of course, it helped us to achieve all these. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. If it should break out from here, that means it's still going to sell more, so we should watch out for that. Now let's check out Paynex 999. Okay, for Paynex 999, wow, this is beautiful. I love this. Do you know why? These also achieve all our TPs. You can see it right before you. Okay, TP 1, 2, 3, 4 have been achieved. That's so amazing. Now it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, so that is the beauty of it. Just understand this and save yourself of some stress. Okay, and of course, let's check out FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. Just really, we have seen this had been on uptrend right from here. The movement is not that smooth, but it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. But it has got into this resistance and was unable to break out from there, tried to sell for a while, went back up again, but right now it is selling. And if it should break out below this, then definitely it's still going to sell more. I didn't drop a signal for this in the Telegram channel, but this is, and the reason for that was because it has almost got into the resistance zone, so it would be too risky to come up with a buy signal at that point. So it is better we allow it to get to the destination to see if it will break out above it or not. If it does not, then we should now milk it downward. But all this happen in the night. However, this is still going to sell. If it, most especially if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. So that is the beauty part of this, okay? So, so a quick recap on what we have learned from today's video, okay? So first of all, the trend trading strategy is still one of the best trading strategy which you can take advantage of because it helps us to see the signal for the trend right from the beginning. For instance, we got a downtrend signal from this resistance zone, and you should know that the best time to go for a downtrend signal is when the market gets to a major resistance zone, and if it's unable to break out above the resistance zones, then you have the opportunity to sell for a very long time, just the way we had it at this point. Okay, so trend trading strategy is still one of the best. So what should you do? You should learn how to then identify the trend, most especially when trend is switching from one trend to another at the major zones, that is the resistance or the support zones. Okay, so once you have confirmed that there won't be any breakout, then you are good to go. Just go into it, set up your order, and lock up your capital with your stop loss. Okay, and of course, right from there, once you are in good profits, you can use your stop loss to throw your profit down to the end of the trend. It is as simple as that. Okay, once you are able to achieve this, then you are good to go. Another thing which I have also added to this strategy is you trying to check out the future of the charts. Okay, if this happens, then this is what we are most likely to get, and that is what happened around here. Right here is the support region, and on 15 minutes time frame, we notice that this has actually got into the support region. Will it break out from there? We don't know. Okay, what should we expect if it breaks out from there? So we need to go to H1. Okay, let's see what is holding that point. Okay, will it be something that will be very easy for the markets to break out from? Okay, when we got there, we noticed that there is a support region here, and it is a major support region because right from here, it's pushed all these. Okay, this is the roots for all the activities that happened around here. And of course, it will be very difficult for it to break out from there. But if it breaks out, do we have markets to milk down here? Of course, we do. You can see all these, they are free areas to milk from. Okay, definitely it shows that it's most likely for the market to break out from here, if not now, but in future it will definitely break out from there. Okay, but if it breaks out from there, then we have the opportunity to milk all these areas together. Okay, so that is why it is important to confirm all these in order for you to know how far the charts or the markets will go, or we give you an opportunity to milk from. Okay, so guys, that is how it works. So I want you to go over this video over and over just for you to have a better understanding of how this work, and of course practice very well on your demo account. Once you are able to perfect your trading skill, then you can now go ahead and try it out on your real account in order for you to make good and reasonable amounts right from here. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.